Hi, this is TeknoGadyet and we're going to unbox the RHA MA-350 noise isolating in-ear headphones. This is actually distributed by Digits Trading, and you can buy them from their retail partners like Digital Walker and the likes. So let's open it, guys. So we have here the carrying cloth or carrying case, and this is the headset. So it has fabric, uh, like I mean the wires are wrapped by fabric, and this one this one guys here is actually made from aluminum. So there's also two more sets of silicone tips, and last thing in the package is a clip. So this one has a retail price tag of 1,850. So that's all, guys. This is the unboxing of RHA MA-350. Thank you for watching.